Okay, this is my knee x-ray critique of the images. So first we have the AP knee. And as you see here, I don't have the x-ray computer, so I'm using my computer at home. So the AP knee, we should have an open femoral tibial joint space, as you see here. And we should have the knee fully extended, if the patient can extend their knee. Also, we should have the inner spaces of equal width on both sides of the knee, so it's pretty equal right here. Also, we should have the patella completely superimposed over the femur right here. And also we should have no rotation of the femur and tibia, which is evident right here. So that's a pretty good knee. Moving on, we have the lateral knee. This is the lateral knee, medial lateral projection. So we should have the femoral condyle superimposed. So right here we see that, just slight superimposition, but it's really good. We should have an open joint space between the femoral condyles and the tibia, which it's not really open, so, but it's still, I wouldn't repeat that knee. And then we should have the patella and the lateral profile, which we see right here. We should have the open joint space between the patella and the femur right here. And also, if we can, we would like to have the knee flex 20 to 30 degrees. And that looks about 30 degrees. And what that does is opens up the joint space between the patella and the femur. So next, we have the AP oblique knee with medial rotation. And you can tell that it's a medial rotation because this should be on the medial, the patella should be on the medial side, and the fibula is lateral, so the tibia is medial, so it's on that side right there, which is perfect. So for this AP oblique, we should have the tibia and fibula separated at the proximal articulation right here, which we see. We should also have the lateral condyles of the femur and tibia. So we see that right here. And an open knee joint, which is pretty good, but sometimes you can't get that open all the way. And also we should have the margin of the patella projecting slightly beyond the medial side of the femur, which I showed you first right here. So next, I should have the intercondylar fossa, which I did the clear method, which is the AP axial projection of the intercondylar fossa. So let me find that right. I did this one right here. I set up under the knee, I put the film, so that is this one right here. And we should have an open intercondylar fossa, which is evident right here. And also we should be able to see the intercondylar eminence of the knee joint space. So we see the eminence, the tubercles right here. And we should also see no rotation, which we can sometimes see with the overlap of the fibula and the tibia right here. So it looks like a good AP axial intercondylar fossa. And my last projection was the bilateral patella. So
it's flashing. Does that make a difference?
That's okay. Well, it's about to run out of batteries. And the last one was the tangential patella, which, let me see if I can find on here. It's right here. So on this well, this is the Merchant. Let's see. It looks something like this. It's just a little bit different, the one that I did, but we should see the patella in profile, which is right here. we should see an open patellofemoral articulation, which we see right here. We see a little bit of soft tissue from the joint space on each side right there, which is good. And that looks good, so I have good images today. I wouldn't take any repeats. So that concludes my knee.